So here we have the Ford Mondeo Titanium X-Pack Power Shift, which is the automatic, on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see that it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. You get full leather seats, as you can see. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. At the bottom in the middle, you can see the total miles on this car, which are 11,801. And below that, it will show you what gear this car is currently in. We have two different kind of onboard computers here and here on this car. Buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel will enable us to change the one on the left, which is basically your trip computer, so fuel consumption, as you can see on this menu here. You've got settings, driver assist, fuel economy, and trip computer. The one in the middle there, there's various menus available to us, from phone to satellite navigation and entertainment. So if you went on entertainment, it will show you what radio station you listen to or what track you might be listening to, if it's a CD, for example. All of that, as I say, is done using these buttons just here for the corresponding screens above. On the left-hand side, we also have cruise control and speed limiter. And on the right-hand side, stereo controls and voice activation for the phone. So you can hit that button and ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list, and it's able to do that for you without you having to take your phone from your bag or pocket. That is, of course, once you've paired up the phone, and that is done on the touch screen over in the center here. If we hit add device, oh, let's go back a page. If we hit add device just there,
search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And then just follow those instructions on screen. We go back a page, you can see this car's got satellite navigation. There's a full video showing this working on our website and on our Facebook page, which is well worth checking out. Go back a page, and then we've got our entertainment and music here. So if I hit source up in the top there, you can see that we have AM, FM and DAB digital radio. We've also got a CD player, and we can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. On top of that, we've also got two USB inputs, so you can connect devices up via USB and listen to music that way as well, should you wish to. Working our way down, we have the CD player, the main volume for the stereo, and then we have the dual zone climate control. So I can adjust the temperature for the passenger side, and it will come up on the screen there to show me passenger. Similarly, I can then do the driver side, and it's the same scenario. It will give us the information on the main screen. Same with the fan speed, which is adjustable in the middle here. And then you can either hit that button to turn the air conditioning on, or you can hit auto, and the car will maintain those temperatures for you by taking full control of the fan speed, which you can hear it doing, and you can override that at any point in time you wish to. We've also got a proper heated front screen as well as the heated rear screen, of course. Underneath that section, we have a 12-volt charging socket down the bottom there. The fully automatic gearbox. This button here turns off the stop and start. So this car is designed to cut out in traffic when you're stationary to save you fuel. You can turn that system off should you wish to. And this button will turn on or off the parking sensors. This car's got keyless start and keyless entry. Again, there's video showing this working on our website, but essentially you just need to have the key with you in the car and press this button to start and stop the engine. And then finally, in the central armrest, we have the two USB inputs I mentioned before. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the panoramic glass roof. You can see the sun blind is closed at the moment. There's a button just up here. Give that a push, and the sunblind will open all the way to the front of the car, which gives you a lot of extra light into the cabin area. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.